Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this lesson we are going to learn conditional sentence in a very easy way. By the end of this lesson you will know when and how to use all main types of conditionals correctly. If you are a student preparing for exam or simply want to improve your spoken and written English, this lesson is for you. Let's begin. So first of all, what are conditional sentences? Conditional sentences are sentences that express a condition and its result. They show that one action depends on another action. They usually begin with if, unless, provided that or similar words. A conditional sentence has two parts: if clause condition, main clause result. Example: if you study hard, you will pass the exam. Condition: if you study hard. Result: you will pass the exam. There are 5 main types of conditional sentences. 1. Zero conditional. We use the zero conditional to talk about facts, scientific truths, and things that are always true. Structure: if plus present simple, present simple. For example, if you heat water to 100 Celsius, it boils. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If you don't water plants, they die. Remember, the result is always true. Second, first conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about real and possible situation in the future. Structure: if plus present simple, will plus base verb. For example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home. If you call me, I will help you. Remember, this talks about a real possibility. 3. Second conditional. We use the second conditional to talk about imaginary or unlikely situation in the present or future. Structure: if plus past simple, would plus base verb. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly around the world. If I had $1,000,000, I would buy a big house. If she studied more, she would get better marks. Remember, this is about dreams, imagination, or unlikely situations. 4. Third conditional. We use the third conditional to talk about past situations that did not happen and their imagined result. Structure: if plus past perfect, would have past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the bus. If she had called me, I would have helped her. Remember, we use it to talk about regret or missed opportunities. 5. Mixed conditional. We use the mixed conditionals when the condition is in one time and the result is in another time. Structure: past perfect plus would plus verb. For example, if I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor now. If she were more careful, she wouldn't have made the mistake yesterday. Remember, it makes different time period, usually the past and the present. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy English grammar lessons. Keep practicing these examples and you will master conditional sentence step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.